Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your digital marketing business. So first, type Dorible on the search. As we know, Dorible website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So first, uh, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now, create your business name. Now, select your industry. Now, enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now, wait a few minutes to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section. The first section is the header of the website. If you want to change your site name from here, if you want to turn this on and upload a file, and if you want to turn this on and change the label, this, and if you want to add a link, and you can turn this on, open link in new page. Here you can manage your social link settings, and here also you can add a channel and select the type of the social link, and here you can add your link. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add the section from here, just select the section, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the banner of the website. If you want to change this, just regenerate. Also here, if you don't like the subtext, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. If you want to turn this off or on, uh, if you want to add a label or if you want to add a link, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is text and image of the website. If you want to regenerate the content, the text, or you can edit it from here, the type of the writing. If you want to regenerate the image like this, if you want to manage the image position here, if you want to add a label, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. The next section, this is uh, the list of the website. If you want to change this, here you can manage your display settings. Choose what will be displayed for each list item, and here you can manage your list items. You can add a list item, uh, generate image, and if you want to manage image position, and if you want to generate a title, and here you can generate the content. You can add a label here, you can add a link. So let's save this and let's move on. The next section, this is the testimonial section. If you want to add testimonials from here, generate a code. If you want to generate by who, and here you can add a file as image. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the gallery of the website. If you want to change this, also here, if you don't like the image, you can generate image. If you want to upload from browser, for example, digital, let's pick some image from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. just put it here and it will be uploaded. So that's it. If you want to pick some image from here, for example, I'm gonna choose this. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the location of the website. You can change this. You can also change your business address, and here you can add additional details files. You can add the title or the content. So let's save this. Let's go to the next section. The next section, this is the contact form of the website. You can regenerate the text. You can also manage or edit the type of the writing. If you want to custom files or manage files, here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, and if you want to generate the form success message. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. The last section of the website, this is the footer. If you want to change your business name, if you want to turn this on and upload a file, if you want to add additional details, you can turn this on or off. If you want to add a label or external link, so if you want to manage your social links, and also here you can add a channel and select the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. So let's save this. If you want to regenerate any content of the section, if you don't like it, just select the content. If you want to regenerate the style, just select the style and it will be regenerated. Also, if you don't like the entire section, just select entire section and it will be generated. So let's save this. If you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to delete the section, if you want to move it down or move it up like this. So that's it. Let's save this. Now wait a few seconds to publish your website. So that's it. That's how to publish your website, easy and quick. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.